while. Ready? I'll go and give us a double chocolate and a cup extra large.
Hooray!
I've got a problem. Everyone happy?
It was nice, Dad.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
Bingo, can I have a lick of your mango?
Here we go.
Okay, but only if I can have a lick of yours. Sure. Not a big lick. I wasn't going to take a big lick. You were. Your tongue was all the way out. No, it wasn't. It was. It was like this. Blah. No, it was only out this far. Blah. No, it was out this far. It wasn't. It was out this far. It has to be out this far. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Hang on. If I lick first and you lick second, you could just take a bigger lick than me.
Oh, Bluey.
No, I won't. You will. You lick first, I'll lick second. But then you'll just take a bigger lick. I won't, I promise. You will.
Okay, come on, sort it out.
We can't both lick second. What are we going to do? I know. Let's lick at the same time. Oh, yeah, good idea, Bingo. Okay, you ready? Yes. So, we both take the same size lick, okay? Okay, show me how big your tongue is out. Blah. Okay, that's okay. Show me yours. Yeah. Is mine okay? Yeah. Oh, let's go. No, your tongue's too far. No, Bingo, no, Hannah.
Kids, what are you doing?
No, that's too much. Tongue back here, not too big.